Hi guys, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Dash from The Incredibles. So let's get started. To draw Dash, we're going to first start by drawing his mask. So I'm going to start from the center and I'm just going to start about right here and go up. And start to come down and round it off. And then we're going to basically bring down a curve back to this part right here. So I'm just going to come straight down, say about right here. And I'm just going to give myself a point, come down and go back up. So let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to go up. So I'm just going to give myself, drag a point right across, say about right here. About how high you need to go on the other side. And once again, just bring it down. And drag another point across. And connect it back up. So there, that's the basic shape that we're aiming for. And then from there, now that we know this is the center, we're going to come to the side a little bit right here and we're going to draw kind of like an oval inside right here for his eyes. So towards the bottom and connect it. So let's do the same thing on this side, leaving the center. Towards the bottom and just follow the outside and connect. And then now we're going to draw another circle. So come in here and so same thing on this side. Okay, now we can make this a draw so cute eye. So I'm going to come in here with two more circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. So hopefully you guys have watched the movie. I finally saw it and it was awesome. So if you guys want to draw it, please check out my Incredibles playlist. I have Jack, Violet, and now Dash. And if you want more characters from the movie, just leave a comment below. Okay, so I have the eyes in now. Now we can start on this cute little smirk smile that I'm going to give him right underneath. I'm going to drag it up a little bit and cap it off. Okay, so then now we can draw his face. I'm going to come to the side right here where his eye is. Where the mask is. And I'm just basically going to start about right here. And I'm just going to drag a curve all the way down. So about right here. About the same spacing. And I'm going to flatten it out with this curve for his face. Right underneath the mouth. And I'm just going to go all the way up and connect. So it's kind of like that widen out U. And then from there, I'm going to come to the center. So about right here, center, and about right here, just give myself a point. And this is going to be his hairline. So it's going to go up. So this is the center. We're going to go up a little bit and then start to come down towards this corner right here. And so same thing on this side. Go up and bring it down. There. Now that we have that in, let's come over here towards the edge and we're going to draw his ears. So just pop out a big curve because he does have pretty big ears. And some detail, just going to draw two curves. So same thing on this side. Right there. Oop, a little too high. Okay, so then now another curve for his ear. And curve, and another curve for some details. So now to draw his awesome hair, I'm going to come right here where his ear is and I'm going to kind of go up with a straight line, just kind of straight, just wobble a tiny little bit so it's a little bit more natural, but we're basically just kind of going up. And so then from about right here where his hairline is, we're going to start to build up this kind of like a little mound. So the top part right here is going to be the tallest. So we're just going to go up, and I'm just going to here and there just wiggle my line. And as I come over here to center, I'm going to go up, higher, and start to come right back down. And as I come down, I'm going to flick it out with a curve for a strand of hair, so that we just give him some movement in his hair so it's not too stiff. We drag out another curve, come back in, and one more. And connect it back to where we started right there. So that is the basic shape that we're aiming for. So then from there we can draw the little lines for the details. So we're going to come right here where this mound is. Just add a little line there. Just give me some details for his hair. And let's see here. And just wiggle a little bit. And but right here, so every time you dip, that's where you're going to have a little strand. There, and then towards here. Maybe you don't connect it so it doesn't look too stiff. Oh, let me add one more here. Just to make it look a little bit more detail. So now to draw his body. So in this pose, I'm having him kind of running towards you. So we're going to start with his first hand right here. So right underneath his head, kind of like where the eye right here is, just come down. In this area right here, we're going to start by drawing his hand. So it's come about right here. And it's kind of clenched, so we're going to come down, wobble 3 curves, because he has his hands in the fist, and we're going to come right back together. So notice it's kind of right under the eye, so that's kind of where you want to put it, and it's close to the head. So then from there, let's draw the glove part. So we're going to come out, and this part's going to come down, and from there connect it. Okay, so then from there, we're going to basically just connect it with a curve, because you know there's a curve right here, and we're just going to come back up. So about right here. I'm just going to bring in a curve. So everything else is going to be on this side now. So this is going to be my center for his body. So kind of imagine his armpit's going to be on this side. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve. And so then this side is going to be my center. So about right here under the hand, it's going to be another curve. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit more, so we can center the body. Okay, so now it's nicely centered. And then from there, I'm going to connect it. So right, let's see here, about right here, let's connect it. And then this is going to be a start for the bottom part of his pants right here. So I'm going to come to the center, about right here, just give myself a slight angle line. And then I'm going to connect it, bring this down a little bit more. Connect it. And then in here, I'm going to add a little line. And so now let's draw his legs. So I'm going to come right here in the first part, continuing this. So we're making it thinner, tapering, because this leg's coming towards you. And then from there, we're just going to connect it. And we're going to keep bringing it down. So the boot part, bring it down a little bit more. So this is going to be lower, and from there we're going to draw kind of like an oval for the bottom of his boot. We're going to pop it out and connect it. flatten the bottom part a little bit. Okay, so now for his other foot, we're just going to kind of, his knee is bent, his leg is bent, so you're just going to have the knee part right here. So we're going to bring out an angle line. So we're going to bend it about right here where his other knee is. So just come about right here and connect it. And then just add a little boot, indication of his boot right here, and tuck it in. So there, I hope that wasn't too hard. Okay, so now for his other hand, we're gonna come about right here. So this is kind of where his armpit is. Just bring it out a little bit. Bring this part out right here for his arm. And let's connect it for his glove. And then right here, come down for his other hand. So we're kind of aiming to try to make it the same size as that side. So then in here, come out, we'll curve, another one. Bring this out and connect it. There. Okay, now we're done basically with his little running pose. Now to draw the Incredibles logo right here. So I'm going to come to the center and start with my oval first. And then come right underneath and draw the rectangle. And right here in the center of this circle, oval, I'm just going to draw a curve to connect back to the rectangle. And same thing on this side. And then thicken this part up, curve, and then this side's going to be the thicker part. I should use a thinner Sharpie and something like that. So there, that's pretty much it for Dash from The Incredibles. Hope you guys loved how it turned out, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and share it, and remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.